Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about angle pairs. Okay, so proceed po tayo. So yung objective natin dito, we have to describe and explain the relationships between angle pairs based on their measures. So, recap muna tayo. So, types of angles. Match these angles to their types below. So, yung figure number 1, that is right angles. Figure number 2, that is acute angles. Figure number 3, that is obtuse angles. Okay, balikan na natin yung right angles, that is measures 90 degree. Acute angles, that is measures less than 90 degree. Obtuse angles, that is measures more than 90 degree. Then, straight angles. Then, reflex angles. If we say reflex angles, this is more than 180 degree. So, types of angles, yan po. Okay. So, dito tayo sa ating angle pairs. So, first we have the complementary angles. So, complementary angles, two angles are complementary if their measures add up to 90 degree. Okay, so angle A is 60, angle B is 30. So, therefore, 60 degree plus 30, that is equal to 90. So, yung figure number 2, yung ABC or angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to 90. Okay? So, if angle ABC is 40, therefore, measure of angle CBD is 50. So, add up yan is 90. Okay? Yung total ng dalawang angle. So, kapag ang total ng dalawang angle ay 90, so, ang tawag niyan ay complementary angles. Another figure, angle 1 plus angle 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So, because of right angle. Diba? So, angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90. So, proceed tayo sa supplementary angles. So, if we say supplementary angles, two angles are supplementary if their measures add up to 180 degree. Angle A is 130, then angle B is 50. So, ang total niyan, or ang i-add up natin yan, so that is 180. So, ito yung figure na yan, angle ABC plus angle CBD equals 180. Okay, so lagyan natin ng figure yung angle ABC. If angle ABC is 110, so therefore, yung angle CBD natin ay 70. So, ang total ng dalawang angles ay 180. So, 110 plus 70 is 180. So, ang tawag nun ay supplementary angles. So, hints tayo. If we say complementary angles at saka supplementary angles, ang complementary, meron tayong ang measure siya 90 degree, di ba? Or add up siya o 90. So, 90 yung complementary. Supplementary naman, 180, di ba? O, ayan. So, complementary C, supplementary is S. Okay? O, ganyan. So, dito tayo sa adjacent angles. So, two angles are adjacent if they share a common side and a common vertex and do not overlap, no common interior points. So, yun ang adjacent angle. So, example, yan, si angle ABC and angle CBD. So, yung common side natin dito is line BC or ray BC. Yan. So, yung common vertex, of course, si vertex B or yung point B. Okay? So, common interior point, wala or none. So, angle ABC is adjacent to angle CBD. So, ito yung non-adjacent. Okay? Yung non-adjacent, hindi sila magka-connect. Yung sa first figure, hindi magka-connect yan. Next, linear pair. Ano yung linear pair? Two angles form a linear pair when they are adjacent and supplementary. Dalawa. Adjacent siya, meron siyang common side and a common vertex. At the same time, supplementary ang kanilang angles. So, ayan. Si angle 1, 100. Angle 2 is 80. So, supplementary sila, di ba? Meron din silang common side and common vertex. So, ayan. Next to each other. Another linear pair. Ayan. Angle ABC is 30. Angle CBD is 150. So, 180 pa rin yan. So, they are supplementary. At the same time, they are adjacent. So, non-collinear, ayan, si angle 1, then angle 2, ayan. Magkaiba yan sila. Supplementary but not adjacent. Kasi wala silang common side. Okay, wala silang common side. Dalawa yung side ang ano dyan. Okay? Adjacent siya, meron silang common side, pero dili po sila supplementary. Kasi 50 plus 65 is not 118. So, this is 115. So, dili siya supplementary. Dapat both adjacent and supplementary. Okay? Next is vertical angles. Vertical angles are pairs of opposite angles made by two intersecting lines. These angles are always equal or congruent to each other. Okay, figure natin yan. So, dalawang vertical angles are pairs of opposite angles. Opposite sila. Ibig sabihin ng pairs, magkapares. Pares ng opposite angles made up two intersecting line. Dalawang line na nag-intersect. And these angles are always equal. So, if you say vertical angles, equal ang kanilang, yung dalawang angle na yan kapag nag-vertical. Equal or congruent to each other. So, if angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles, so, ibig sabihin, angle 1 and angle 3 are equal or congruent. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical angles. So, therefore, angle 4 and angle 2 is also a congruent or equal. So, if measure of angle 1 is 135, angle 1 is also 135. Or angle 3 yan ha. Yung angle 3 is also 135. Okay? So, congruent, angle 2 is congruent to angle 4. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. So, what other angles relationship can you see sa ating figure dito sa vertical angles? So, makikita din natin dito yung supplementary angles, di ba? At saka yung linear pair. Okay, next. So, sa angle pairs, meron tayong complementary angles, meron tayong supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and vertical angles. So, dito sa supplementary angles and adjacent angles, so, linear pair yung dalawa. Kasi both, yung linear pair, both supplementary and adjacent angle. So, vertical angles, congruent ang kanilang angles. Lahat. Okay? Yung yung opposite niya, is congruent yan. So, next activity tayo. Name all angle pairs in the figure below. Okay? So, vertical angles. Name the vertical angles. So, ang vertical angles na makikita natin dito is angle ITB is vertical to UTE. Okay? ITB and UTE. So, congruent yan sila. Complementary angles. So, complementary meaning nag-add up ng 90, di ba? So, ang ano dyan is angle RTI at saka angle ITB or BTI. Pwede dyan baliktarin, ha? ITB. So, RTI at saka or angle ITI and angle ITB are complementary angles. Next, supplementary angles. So, supplementary angles dito, okay, so angle RTB, yan, and RTU, or angle RTU. So, supplementary yan. Okay, RTB and RTU. Next, angle ITB. ITB at saka ITU. So, supplementary yan. Next is RTI and RTE. Supplementary angles. And also adjacent. Okay? UTI. UTI at saka UTE. Adjacent. Supplementary pa rin yan. Okay? Adjacent angles, parang balik lang din yan. Pero kaya lang, ang adjacent, pwede siyang 90 degrees, pwede siya. Okay? So, adjacent angles, VTI and ITR. Okay? Ayan. Si VTI at saka ITR, so, ano man yan, di ba? Nag-form 90 degrees. So, pwede siya complementary. Yung adjacent na yan. Okay? Si adjacent kasi, pwede siya 90 complementary, pwede rin siya supplementary. Pero hindi siya pwede yung complementary, hindi siya pwede tawaging linear pair. Si supplementary lang. Okay, another one, si VTI and ITU. VTI or angle VTI and ITU. Okay? Supplementary yan. ITR or angle ITR and angle RTU. Okay? ITR or angle ITR and angle RTE. Next, angle RTU and angle UTE. Another one, angle UTE and also angle ATB. And last is angle ATB and angle VTI. Meron pang linear pair. Si linear pair, dalawa, di ba? Pwede siyang supplementary, pwede rin adjacent. So, angle RTB and angle RTU. Okay? Ititingnan mo na lang dyan, ha? Ano mo na lang yung angle RTB. And angle ITB and angle ITU. Another one, angle RTI and angle RTE. Then, angle UTI and angle UTE. Okay, thank you so much sa pakikinig at panonood ng ating topic ngayon o sa ating video. At again, sa hindi pa naka-subscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. At paki-like, subscribe, at paki-share na rin sa video natin para marami ding mga estudyante na matutulungan sa video ito. Maraming